this is October 30th and we have a ripe fig that the bird have not eaten. Oh my god. It's like my first fig for this winter. Let's see how it tastes. It just looks so lovely. It is ready to pick. It's soft. I probably can use a couple more days, but you know, it's been my first ripe fig for a long time and I don't want the bird to eat it, so I shall eat it myself. You can see that white sap. That means it is a little early, but I really want to taste it instead of the bird. So I think it's worth it to eat it now instead of waiting, because I wait it when it's ripe and the birds eat it before I do. So let's try this. This is from Trees of Paradise, Hmari. The skin is very smooth, it is thin, and you can see because it is picked early, there isn't much juice or sugar, but I can tell it is a very good fig, and it is the type of fig that I like to keep because the skin is very smooth. Unlike some variety, the skin is just, the texture is just rough, and my tongue does not like that. And I do not want to eat there because you're gonna have some itchy tongue. I just wanted to sample it just to see what type of fig and what type of skin texture it does, but really it's not something I would eat right now, because you can see that's gonna make my tongue itch. It's not worth it, but I just wanted to get a quick taste of what type of fig it is, and I definitely think next year will be a great year. This is a keeper for me. Medium size, and it's the only ripe one right now for me, so it's a keeper.